Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Speaks. In this video we are going to learn about what is abstraction in Java, how we can achieve abstraction in Java, and what are abstract class and abstract methods. Before going to start this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for such learning videos. So let's start the video. The very first is what is abstraction. So it is a process of hiding the internal details, or we can say implementation details, from the user and showing only the required characteristics or the interfaces to the user. You might confuse what I am trying to say here, right? Let's try to understand the definition of abstraction by example. Let's suppose we have a calculator app, right, in which we have many functions available to use, like add, subtract, multiply, divide, etc. Here we just need to enter the data and the app returns back the desired result, what we want to get. We have to know the logic here, that is we can only see the GUI here of the calculator app, and we are unknown from the backend code, like how it is working when we add two numbers, subtract two numbers, and same like any other operations we do. So by definition, abstraction is something which hides the implementation details, or we can say internal details. Here we can say the backend code, which is not the thing which we can show to the user, right? And we can only show the important things which is required for the user. Here in this app we can say the GUI. For another example, we can take an ATM machine as well. We all are performing operations on the ATM machine, like cash withdrawal, money transfer, retrieve mini statements, etc. But we cannot know internal details about ATM. Now the important advantage of using abstraction is the security, as it hides all the implementation details what we seen earlier. Next we have to learn here is how we can achieve abstraction in Java. In Java we can achieve abstraction by two ways. The first one is by using abstract class, and the second one is by using interfaces. Here the most important thing is we can achieve 0 to 100% abstraction from abstract class, and through interfaces we can achieve 100% abstraction. In this video we are going to learn about how we can achieve abstraction through abstract class, and in the later videos we will learn how we can achieve abstraction through interfaces. So what are abstract class and abstract methods? Any class which contains the abstract keyword in its declaration, then the class will be an abstract class, like this one. Here you can see we have declared a keyword and keyword abstract before creating the class A, which is abstract class A. Now we have abstract method. A method without body means if there is no implementation, then it will be an abstract method. Here very important thing is, when a class has an abstract method, then the class should be declared as abstract. Like here we create a class A. Inside the class A we just create a method, abstract method, as abstract void start. Then here we can see abstract method is present inside the class A. So we must have to declare the class A as an abstract class. So to declare it as abstract class, we just add the abstract keyword before the class A, and that's it. The class becomes the abstract class. Also, but it is not necessary that every method of an abstract class will be abstract. Means all the methods will not be abstract. This is the reason we can achieve 0 to 100% of abstraction through abstract class, as it consists both the abstract and regular methods. You can see here we just created an abstract class A. Inside the class we have two methods. The first one is an abstract method named as abstract void start, and the second one is a regular method. So we know regular method have bodies, so here we have body for the method run. Another one we have is if an abstract class have, let's suppose, only one regular method and no abstract method, then in this case the abstraction achieved will be 0%. So I guess you understand the basic concept of abstraction through abstract class and abstract methods. Now let's jump to the next topic. The next very important topic here is how we can use an abstract class. So to use an abstract class, we must have to inherit it in the subclasses. Means we need to inherit the abstract class in the subclasses. Let's see by an example how we can do this. Let's create an abstract class first. Let's say we create here abstract class shape. Inside this class shape, let me create an abstract method. Let it name is at draw, abstract void draw. So we know abstract method doesn't have a body, so I simply close it. Also let's create a regular method here like void length. Inside this method just pass system.out.println, and under the quotes I am just going to pass here is the length. Now here create another class which will extend the abstract class shape. Let's suppose I create a class circle. Class circle extends shape, and inside this inherit the method draw from the abstract class like void draw. The body of draw we are using here. Then inside the body we are just passing here system.out.println. Under the quotes I am passing here drawing circle. Now create the main method to run the program. So for that I just create class main, and under the quotes public static void main string args, and under the curly brackets first I am going to create an object of class circle. So for that circle my circle is equals to new circle. Here I just created object of the class circle, then just call the method like myCircle.draw from this class circle, and the next method which is coming from the abstract class shape myCircle.length. We are calling this method here through the object of circle class because we are inherited the abstract class in the circle class, abstract class shape in the circle class. So this is our program in which we can see we first created an abstract class named as shape. Inside it we create an abstract method and a regular method as well. So to use the abstract class we use extends keyword inside the circle class. After then all the properties or methods of abstract class then start acquiring in the subclass circle as well. And so that we use the abstract void draw method here inside the subclass circle. And in the main method we create the object first and then call the method. Let's execute our program. So we can see here, first it is showing the drawing circle, and in the next line it is showing here is the length. This is what we want to print, right? So in this video, what we learned, how we can achieve abstraction in Java, what are abstract class and abstract methods. In the next video, we will learn about what are interfaces and how we can achieve 100% abstraction through interfaces in Java. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and notification, hit the bell icon.